Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro launched. Start at 999,000. तो गाइज़ वेलकम टू क्रिएटिव टैक। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा लीजिए। तो गाइज़ चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो गाइज़ आज की वीडियो में हम Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro और Note 8 के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं। ये आपको सिर्फ 10,000 का मिल सकता है और 15,000 के आसपास मिल जाएगा। तो 1 अक्टूबर से ये लॉन्च हो जाए। तो Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Note 8 phones in India on Wednesday. The Redmi Note 8 Pro and Redmi Note 8 are for UPS to the Redmi Note 7 Pro and Redmi Note 7S. Redmi Note 7 launched earlier in the year. Both the phones jack attractive glass design and some really good specs. And it's typical Xiaomi fashion. They do not cost a bomb to own. While the Redmi Note 8 starts at Rs 999,000 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro starts at 14,000 लगभग 15,000 का. The Redmi Note 8 Pro starts Rs 49. Note 8 Pro starts 14,000. Both the phones will be available on buying in India from 21 October. India Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, Redmi Note 8 specs and features. Let's start with the Pro because, well, it's Pro alright. The main highlights of the Redmi Note 8 Pro is our 4 camera setup on the rear. It has a 64 megapixel main camera and 8 ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth camera and 2 micro lens. Then that main camera uses Samsung 64 megapixel GW1 sensor, which works on the same principle as its 48 megapixel GMI and 32 megapixel GDI sensor, effectively producing sharper, more detailed 16 megapixel photos in low light, and using software interpolation to produce high resolution 64 megapixel photos as and when required. Speaking of core specs, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 6.353 inches 180 pixel plus IPS LCD display with Xiaomi dot notch. But also has a 20 megapixel selfie camera. There's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well as on the back, and IP52 certification of limited water and dust resistance. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a MediaTek Helio G90T processor paired with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is also expandable via detected micro SD card slot. There are also liquid cooling for similarly cooler extend gameplay software inside the Android 9 Pie based MIUI 10. The phone will be updated on MIUI 11 in December. The Redmi Note 8 Pro India variant also answers to hands-free Alexa. In addition to another voice assistant, the Redmi Note 8 Pro feature comes with a 4,500 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging through USB Type-C cable. Xiaomi will be bundling a fast charger in the box this time. The vanilla Redmi Note 8 series to bring Redmi Note 8 Pro like experience at the even more affordable pricing. All quick refresh on Redmi Note 8 Pro Note 8 hardware now. The phone is powered by a quad-core Snapdragon 665 processor paired with up to 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. In pack of 4,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging through USB Type-C cable. Fast charger in the box. 48 megapixel main plus 8 megapixel ultra wide plus 2 megapixel depth plus 2 megapixel micro quad rear camera setup. A 13 megapixel front camera and it has a 6.39 inch plus 1080 pixel plus display with Xiaomi dot notch and Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well on the back. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro Redmi Note 8 price availability. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Note 8 Pro in India starting at $15,000 for the base variant with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, while 6GB 128 and 8GB 128 models have been launched at 16,000 and 18,000 respectively. The phone will be available in 3 colors: Gamma Green, Hello White and Shadow Black. Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Note 8 in India starting at 9,000 or 10,000. For the base variants with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, while the top end 6GB RAM 128GB model has been launched at the 13,000. The phone will be available in 4 colors: Neptune Blue, Moonlight White, Cosmic Purple, and Space Black. The Redmi Note 8 Pro and Redmi Note 8 will be available for buying in India from October 21 from mi.com, Amazon India, and Xiaomi's Mi home stores with bordered offline availability to follow. तो गाइज आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अगर आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर दीजिए। तो गाइज अगर और भी कोई इस फ़ोन को लेना चाहते हैं, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बता देना है, उसकी प्राइस और उसके प्रोसेसर के सभी कुछ बता दिया है। तो गाइज अगर आपको फ़ोन और ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो गाइज मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।